Wish you a very good morning, students. Hope you all love it. Students, in our EVS chapter 12, light, sound, and force or energy, till now we have read about light, under which we read about light, shadow, and reflection. So, today we are going to start with sound. Sound is produced by vibration. When air vibrates, sound is produced. When we pump air, then in a whistle, then air starts vibrating and it produces sounds. When vibrations reaches our ears, we hear sound. What is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast? Do you know that? That is sound. The movement of things that produces sound is called, what is that called? That is called vibration. Let's have a look once more. The movement of things that produces sound, that is called vibration. This way we have seen ears are one of our five sense organs and they help us to hear the sounds in our everyday life. We hear different kinds of sounds, for example, sounds of animals and human beings, horns, vehicles, aeroplanes, etc. Let's see an example here. When a tightly stretched band is plugged, it vibrates and produces sound. When it stops vibrating, it does not produce any sound. The vocal cords in men are about 20 mm long and in women these are about 5 mm shorter than men. Children have very shorter vocal cord. This is the reason why the voices of men, women, and children are different. Now let's see an experiment. When you put a mobile phone in an empty class and then you make a call on that mobile phone and it starts vibrating. Thereafter, when you pick up that vibrating mobile phone with the glass and you cover it up with your mouth and start sucking oxygen available in the glass, thereafter what happens? We notice that the sound has become fainter, and with the passage of time, when air has been removed completely from a vessel, it is said that there is vacuum in the vessel. The sound cannot travel through vacuum. This way, we have come to know that sound cannot travel through vacuum, it can travel only through air. Now see how sound reaches to our ears. First of all, we have outer ear, then it comes to the canal, it travels to the canal, and then sound vibrates our eardrum. Here you can see eardrum. It starts vibrating and then we can hear the sound. Okay. This way, sound is produced by vibrating objects. This we have come to know. And in human beings, the vibration of vocal cords produces sound. Sound travels through a medium uh, like it can be gas, liquid, or solid. If you pump or tap something like solid or liquid like water, or in the air also you make sound, that through all those mediums you can hear the sounds. It cannot travel in vacuum. The eardrum senses the vibrations of sound and it sends the signals to our brain. This process is called hearing. Now see how are sounds classified: pleasant and unpleasant. Let's name few pleasant sounds. Here we have chirping of birds and sound of guitars. That sounds very good. Now let's name few unpleasant sounds. Sound of firecrackers, thunders, and aeroplane are very harsh and those sounds very unpleasant. And can loud sounds damage your ears? Question arises here. Yes, answer is yes. Loud sound damages our ears. Now see, this way we have classified sound in pleasant and unpleasant. Some pleasant sounds to hear are music and sound of musical instruments, this we can say, and unpleasant sounds to hear are sounds of horns of buses. This way the sounds which are unpleasant to hear are called noise. Now let us see this again. What is noise? In simple terms, noise is unwanted sound. Those are unpleasant or unwanted. Sound is a form of energy which is emitted by a vibrating body or and on reaching the ear it causes sensation of hearing through nerves. Now this way we have learned that noise causes noise pollution and we should use some measures to control noise pollution. Thus we see at business places we should reduce sources of noise and use silencing devices, and for us we should use TV and radio at low volume, and we should use less of horns, and we should plant more of the trees. If we talk about government, we government should not government do not allow should not allow factories in residential areas because that can also cause noise pollution or sound pollution, and for they should also make schemes to plant more and more trees. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.